Lesson 7. Kandy Consumer Solutions. Upon successful completion of this lesson, you will be able to describe the Kandy Consumer Solution components, describe its possible use cases, understand the key user policy capabilities, describe the KCS value-added services, and describe the KCS value proposition. Kandy Consumer Solutions is a mobile over-the-top telephony solution for consumers. It provides PSTN-like functionality and SMS over the top using voice over IP. It lets you have your own phone number on any device, on a web browser, on a PC, on a tablet, or a smartphone. And it provides rich communications including voice and video calls, multimedia messaging, and RCS interoperability. For those in the audience that are not familiarized with RCS, it means Rich Communication Services as defined by the 3GPP standardization body. Kandy Consumer clients also facilitate collaboration with multi-party video, screen sharing, and annotation. Our Kandy Consumer solution provides carriers with the ability to differentiate and include their own branding. They can have their own application on the App Store, so from the look and feel of the app, it doesn't say Kandy anywhere. Instead, it shows whatever brand the carrier will be launching into the market. And they define their own pricing, their own billing mechanisms, and their own differentiating features, for example, by integrating additional value-added services. Kandy Consumer Solutions fit multiple use cases. It's a great solution for roamers. It allows customers to continue to use their voice services when they're in a different country using Wi-Fi networks. Carriers have the opportunity to charge them an extra monthly fee, for example, to be able to do this, or to include this functionality as part of a premium package that encourages users to upgrade. It also provides next-generation telephony. We have some customers out there that have taken this route. This allows the carrier to link the white label application to the user's real phone number and allow them to have multiple numbers that they can use, for example, for listing things on eBay or for a dating website. These are numbers that they can burn later if they need to. Kandy Consumer Solutions is also a great alternative if you want to deploy voice over LTE, but you don't have an IMS network, which is complex and expensive. The Kandy Consumer Solutions client can provide you with an alternative, because it can integrate with the phone dialer within Android and iOS and provides a seamless experience to the end user. Now the carrier can run services over their LTE data path without having an impact in their user experience. The solution also works great for expats, and we have a couple of customers out there that are using this model because they have a huge community of users that are working or living in a different country, and they want to be able to make very affordable calls back home to talk to friends and family. It can also be deployed as a landline extension to take your landline with you when you're in your mobile application and be able to make and receive calls from your landline phone number. It can also be used to provide an over-the-top hub capability. So, for example, if you have multiple service providers within a certain corporate conglomerate that has multiple countries and multiple properties, you could use the solution to have all the clients from all those different properties talk to each other seamlessly and provide them some sort of user federation. And finally, we can also provide alternative business models, for example, to provide white label mobile applications that drive things like content payment, mobile payments, loyalty services, sponsored services, advertisement-based solutions, and basically anything that you can monetize based on transaction fees. Kandy Consumer Solutions provide applications for iOS, Android, and web browsers. The system requirements are very affordable and support the vast majority of devices in the market. And finally, the UI can be branded to adapt to the service provider needs. They can put their own spirit, their own brand, and drive it to market. Inside Kandy Consumer Solutions, there is a powerful policy engine that allows service providers to modify some settings and manage the way their customers use the service. For example, you can define which is the maximum number of concurrent calls that you're going to allow, or if you're going to limit the service based on the user's geographical location, or if you want to allow them to dial a certain country code or not, if you want to limit functionality based on day or time of the day, how many active devices they can have in their account, and finally, which network type you're going to allow them to use, just Wi-Fi, 3G, LTE, or any combination. So why should you consider Kandy Consumer Solutions? First, it allows you to look for new revenue streams. It allows you to extend your reach beyond your network limits by providing service over Wi-Fi or over the top on someone else's network. It's a solution that will work with your existing networks, with your existing mobile fixed number. But you can also assign additional numbers for multiple personas, even burn numbers for online dating or selling used items or other business situations. The solution works with any smart device of the top leading brands in the market today and on any IP network. It allows you to provide new real-time communication services and experiences in a fast time-to-market way. And with white-labeled and tailored solutions, everything is about your brand and your experience. In the end, it's a way to provide value and increase brand loyalty. And this is the end of Lesson 7. Thank you for watching.